By using Boolean operators and different search techniques, we can build a search statement. Search statements are not research questions. Instead, they are statements created by using keywords and phrases from your research question. In addition, the way a search statement will look will be different according to what tool you are using. For example, let's say that I am researching the question, how have cats affected the way we use the internet? The first thing I'm going to want to do is take out all the unnecessary words and focus on the keywords. In this case, I'm left with cats and internet. Next, I take my keywords and go to Academic Search Premier. In Academic Search Premier, I type in cat and internet. Remember that the star symbol is used to find words with multiple endings. I get over 22,500 results with this search statement. If I look over these results, I notice that most of them have nothing to do with my topic. So in this case, I'm going to add in synonyms or related words to try and get better search results. In this case, I add in the word kitten, so now my search reads cat or kitten and internet. This time, I get more results, and the results up toward the top look a lot more relevant to my research topic. I still have too many results. So in this case, I'm going to narrow my search down to just look for information on cat videos on the internet. I can do this by changing the single word internet to internet videos. Doing this further narrows down my search results to 146. This is a good number to start with Academic Search Premier. Now let's search on Google for the same topic. Google doesn't use search operators quite the same as Academic Search Premier. For example, the only Boolean operator it uses is OR. It automatically will put AND in between all your search statements. If I wanted to do the same search in Google, I would type in cat or kitten internet video. In general, Google will organize the most relevant results to be first. You could also type in cat videos on Google. This will bring up completely different results. However, it will give you lots of good examples of cat videos. In contrast to Google, Bing does use Boolean operators. If you want to search for information on cat videos on Bing, you can use the same search that you would use for Academic Search Premier. There are a lot of different search tools out on the internet and available through the library. Keep in mind that you will often want to look at the help material for that search tool before you start using it. Also remember, there is not one single way to perform a search, so be creative, make mistakes. If you need help finding information on cat videos, or anything else, please feel free to contact us here at the Stewart Library Reference Desk. You can contact us by visiting library.weber.edu and then by clicking on the Ask a Librarian link in the top corner of the page. Or you can come in and visit us on the middle level of the Stewart Library. And as always, thanks for watching.